Assalamu alaikum. My name is Usman Chaudhary and you are watching Technology Explore. In this video I am going to tell you how to make this type of simple animation in SolidWorks, and after that I will save this animation as AVI file in my hard drive like this. So keep watching this video till end, and if you want to download these files for your practice, I will leave the download link in the description of this video. So let's start. First of all, set the proper view orientation of your CAD model. So let's say I'm going to start the animation from this view. After that, click on Motion Study 1, then right click here and select Create New Motion Study. So here you can see Motion Study 2 tab has been created. So from here drop down this option and from here select animation instead of basic motion. Then first step is adding a motor. If you want to rotate this model like this, you can select motor. So here is the motor option, click on it. So first option is about the motor location. I'm going to select the shaft. So here is the shaft. This arrow defines the direction of rotation. You can reverse the direction by selecting this option. So I'm going to rotate it on this direction. Then scroll down. Here is the motion properties like constant speed, distance, oscillating segments, or rest of the settings. Let me select constant speed. This is the RPM. Select 30 or your required settings. Then press OK button. Now you can press calculate or play button. Now next step is rotating your view in the animation like this. Drag the seek bar on 4 seconds and then right click here and place key. Then drag the seek bar up to 8 seconds. Rotate the model like this. Again right click here and place key. Now again you can play or calculate. Here is the speed of animation. So next step is adding the exploded view animation. So for that, click on model here, then go to configuration manager, right click on default and select new exploded view. Select parts one by one and drag them. You can also select multiple number of parts at once. So once you had exploded all the assembly, click on OK button and then expand this default. Double click on explode view 1 to collapse it. Now again go to motion study 2 and then select animation wizard. There are three types of animations: rotate, model, explode or collapse. So we want to make explode. Select explode, then select next. Here is the duration of the explode and it is 9 seconds. You can edit it up to 5 or 4 seconds. Here is the start time. Let me select start from 10 seconds and then finish. Again select calculate or play button. Once you had completed the animation, you can save this animation as AVI file in your computer. So for that, select save animation button here, name the animation and define this save location. Then here is the aspect ratio. For Facebook or YouTube, the 16:9 aspect ratio is perfect. So select 16:9. Here is the frame. Then select save and then press OK button. It will recalculate, so select yes. All done. Now your animation has been saved as AVI file in your hard drive. Here you can see I hope you had enjoyed and learned from this video. Thanks for watching and sparing time. Please make sure to subscribe this YouTube channel for more videos like this.